How to turn on or off camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the camera roll sharing suggestions. And you can tap this, and camera roll sharing suggestions, you can manage how your camera roll can be used to help you create and share on Facebook. You can control camera roll access anytime in your device settings. And the camera roll sharing suggestion is off. Okay, you can turn on this by switching on the switch button on the right side. This turn on, you'll occasionally see photos and videos from your camera roll as new sharing suggestions will use basic camera roll data like which video you favorited and when photos were taken. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on, and if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.